passing seemingly feet apart, not once, not twice, but 3 times they fly their aircraft at 400 miles an hour. Everyone's judged those distances in 2 seconds. Look out to your half right now. Information from your right. Rolling in from your right hand side, we find the red, white and blue Iceland roll. This is a new manoeuvre in 2007. We practiced and designed our new manoeuvres and practiced the display. And indeed train the new pilots between October and May of each year. Yes, so it takes 7 months of hard work before these already able fast jet pilots call themselves a red arrow. Here the boss there calling white on go and roll. Pilot's able to set the colour of the smoke. You see buttons on the control column. Navigation terms, we call it hands on throttle and sticks. HOTAS, but I think in the red arrows, we'll call it hands on throttle and smoke. Oh, it's red 6 from your right hand side. From your right hand side, jet formation, red 6 through to 9. Now returning for the corkscrew. Red 67 rolling inverted, in close formation, upside down. And now red 8 to the red space, red 9 to the blue space. Everybody cheer, goodbye, and corkscrew! Red 9 there, calling complete in excitement of the pilot's voices, complete. Working extremely hard. But from your left hand side. From your left hand side now, in formation now, setting up the helix. Now descending now to line and stern formation. Red 5 at the bottom there has got the most difficult job. Now the immense pendulum, red 5, find the bottom of that line of stern. Putting up into the helix bed, the aircraft that you might already know is the VA64 powered by the Rolls-Royce engine. A superb example of British design, engineering and industry. Indeed the most successful fast jet trainer in the world today, used by the Royal Air Force. Many of the pilots have flown the Hawk throughout their training. And it's got a superb sports car handling, a real joy to fly. But that's from your left hand side there. Just selecting the red, white and blue there, the aircraft now flying line abreast, the pilots looking directly over each other's shoulder. Keeping that reference as we complete the helix bend. Now from your right hand side, almost between these 2 split formations, and the pilot using map and stopwatch. No computers or GPSs are used in this display. Now from your right, red 6 rolling inverted.
Complaint to the council.
Red 6 now flying a minus 2.5 G barrel roll.
It's pretty worth a try.
Flying perfect mirror below him. And seemingly impervious to that negative G. Red 6 cool as a cucumber, calling holding the bank now. 6 rolling out. Reds 8 and 9 find that red and blue rollback. Look now up to your right hand side, And in formation, red 1 to 5, returns the rollbacks.
And my blood pressure is a lot lower as well.
Red 4 and 5, present out of, but back into close formation in 8 seconds. Coming right now, look directly over out to your front there. Jippo formation now, turning back in towards us for the amazing, the heart-stopping Jippo break. Directly to your front, red 8 to 9 rolling. Now red 67 to turn. Wait for it. Engineers, boys and girls, the Jippo break! in their last pass now. Particular pairs here, right and left, and their last pass.